Yo, we coming in hot with this one. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get rich in Rise of Kingdoms, no jailbreak. So as you can see, I got unlimited resources in iOS and Android. I'm going to show you guys how to do it, so let's get right into the video. So first things first, guys, we're going to go with Zoomods. We're going to type Rise of Kingdoms, and as you can see, here it is, Rise of Kingdoms mod. Press on that, and we're downloaded. So be sure to try it out. If you go to the search bar and type in Rise of Kingdoms, you can see it's very expensive. So I'm just going to type it in right here. And look at this. Bro, I am not paying for this. That's just not who I am. But in this video, guys, you learned how to be cool and become rich. It's up to you to take that chance. But as you can see, guys, I got unlimited resources. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself. It's super cool. It's a fully working video for you guys if you're broke in Rise of Kingdoms. So yeah, I'll see you guys in another video, but yeah, subscribe to the channel, bro. As you can see, Rise of Kingdoms mod, so this is super cool, guys, and it's a fully updated video for you guys as well. So it should work for all devices and stuff like that, which is pretty awesome. So I'll see you guys in another video, but yeah, subscribe. So yeah, peace out. This is super cool, bro. It actually works, and yeah, no. Yeah, look at this. So be sure to try it out for yourself, get the word out. It's super cool. So yeah, look at that. Oh my gosh. Like, this is crazy, bro. Nobody is gonna be poor anymore. So be sure to try out for yourself, guys. All you gotta do is go to Zoomods and then find Rise Kingdoms mod. And there you go. So be sure to try out for yourself. See you guys in another video. Subscribe. This is super awesome. And yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. Subscribe to the channel. This is super cool. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow, and peace out.